Hey everyone, welcome to the Code 39 channel. In this video, I will give you some of the best Mac tricks. So before we get started, be sure to subscribe the Code 39 channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. You can have your Mac speak selected text with a keyboard shortcut. Here's how to set up speak selection. In System Preferences, click Accessibility, then click Spoken Content, then select the Speak selection to turn it on. Click Option next to Speak selection, then customize the settings. So by default the shortcut key is Option Escape. To change the other settings, click the pop-up menu next to each option. Choose to have words, sentences or both highlight. As your Mac speaks, you can choose the highlight color for words and for full sentences. Select to show the controller automatically when you press the keyboard shortcut. Then click OK. Once you customize the speak selection, here's how to use it.
Subscribe the Code 39.